I remember the days I would walk home from primary school just to have my grandmother's red bean pilau because my mom never made red bean pilau. So to your pot, you're going to caramelize your sugar until it's brown and bubbly, and then add in your seasoned chicken pieces. You can use any type of protein for this. Once the chicken has a lovely color, go in with all of your aromatics and veggies. Mix well and allow it to cook. You see the beautiful brown color that the chicken has? That's what you want. Now go in with your washed parboiled rice and mix well. Cook for about 5 minutes until it starts to stick to the bottom of the pot. Then add in some water, coconut milk powder and coconut milk. If you have fresh coconut milk, you can use that also. When it comes up to a simmer, cover and allow it to cook. Just before it's done, I like going in with a tin of red beans just to save time, but you can pre-boil your red beans if you like. I went in with 2 tins here since it's a big pot of pilau I'm making. Now finish with some golden ray butter and some fresh scallions and saif over the top and mix that in. Now besides this, the other meal that I would come home for when my grandmother made was pumpkin and rice. I loved my grandmother so much and I pay tribute to her with this recipe.